Zel Punta Cana sits in the Dominican Republic at Avenida La Mania, and here's something most travel videos won't tell you. The email address listed for this property ends in Meliá-linked, which suggests a connection to the Meliá Hotel Group. That matters because if you're chasing elite status or loyalty points with Meliá, this all-suites property might qualify for your program benefits, but you'll want to confirm that directly before booking. The official name is Zel Punta Cana All Suites, and while multiple domains pop up in searches, there's no single verified official website that clearly belongs to this hotel alone. That ambiguity means you'll want to triple-check you're booking the right property and not a similarly named resort, especially since Punta Cana has dozens of beachfront options with overlapping names. The suite setup here is worth understanding. This isn't a traditional hotel with standard double rooms. Every accommodation is categorized as a suite, which typically means more square footage and separation between sleeping and living areas. One guest review mentioned the ground floor swim-up rooms specifically, noting that if budget allows, those are the ones to target. Swim-up access means you step off your patio directly into a pool. No towel-claiming drama at dawn, no elevator rides in wet swimsuits. It's the kind of feature that sounds like a luxury until you've done it once, and then it becomes the thing you filter for on every future beach trip. The review described the property as genuinely beautiful and said it ticks all the aesthetic boxes, which suggests thoughtful design rather than the cookie-cutter resort template you see replicated across the Caribbean. The pools earned specific praise in that same review, reinforcing that water features are a highlight here, not an afterthought. Without detailed room specifications available, what we know is this. Suites imply more space than standard hotel rooms, often including sitting areas, sometimes kitchenettes or wet bars, and layouts that make longer stays more comfortable. If you've ever spent a week in a single hotel room with all your luggage exploding across one desk and 2 nightstands, you understand why suites matter. They give you room to actually unpack, to separate clean clothes from sandy beach gear, to have coffee in a chair that isn't your bed. The swim-up configuration adds another layer of convenience, turning your room into a semi-private pool cabana. You control your own shade, your own music, your own pace. For families, that means kids can splash steps from your door while you read. For couples, it means fewer crowds and more spontaneity. The aesthetic praise and guest feedback suggests design consistency, the kind where tile choices, furniture, and landscaping feel intentional rather than assembled from a catalog. In all-inclusive resorts, that attention to visual detail can make or break the experience because you're spending days in the same environment. A well-designed property photographs better, feels more relaxing, and creates the impression that someone cared about more than just maximizing room count. The fact that a guest specifically called out the beauty and said the pools are great indicates this property invested in those public spaces, not just the revenue-generating rooms. Dining details aren't available in the provided information, so we can't walk through specific restaurant names, menus, or culinary concepts. What's typical for an all-suites property in Punta Cana is multiple dining venues, often a mix of buffet and a la carte, with themed nights and reservation systems for specialty restaurants. But without confirmed details, we're not going to speculate on what Zel offers. If you're considering this hotel, that's a question to ask directly. How many restaurants, what cuisines, do you need reservations? Are there upcharges for premium dining? Those answers will shape your daily routine more than almost any other amenity. The pools received direct praise, described as great by guests who'd experienced them firsthand. In Punta Cana's heat, pool quality isn't a minor detail. You're talking about where you'll spend hours every day, whether the water's refreshed enough to stay cool, whether there's swim-up bar access, whether the layout encourages laps or just lounging. Swim-up suites tie directly into this, creating a hybrid indoor-outdoor living situation where the pool becomes an extension of your room. For some travelers, that's gimmicky. For others, especially those with kids who want constant water access or couples who value privacy, it's transformative. You're not schlepping towels and room keys back and forth. You're not navigating crowded pool decks. You're just stepping outside and you're in. Beach access is a separate consideration. Cortecito Beach is listed as 3.1 kilometers away, which is about 2 miles. That's not walking distance in beach heat, so you'd likely need a shuttle, taxi, or rental car to reach it. Some guests prioritize being directly on the sand, where you roll out of bed in your oceanfront. Others prefer a resort with exceptional pools and treat the beach as an occasional excursion. Zel appears to fall into the latter category based on location. That's not better or worse, just a different experience. If your dream vacation involves morning walks on the beach before breakfast, you'll want to confirm transportation logistics. If you're happy poolside with a swim-up bar and only hit the ocean once or twice during the trip, the distance won't matter. Seaquarium Punta Cana is 2.3 miles from the property, offering an aquarium experience if you want a break from sun and water. Aquariums in resort destinations often mix education with entertainment, touch tanks, and feeding shows alongside exhibits. It's the kind of half-day activity that works well with younger kids or on a day when you've had too much sun. Cocotal Golf and Country Club sits 1.4 kilometers away, close enough for serious golfers to make early tee times without a long commute. Golf in the Caribbean often means trade wind challenges and coastal views, and having a course within a couple of kilometers means you could realistically play a round and be back at the pool by lunch. Joko Museo Punta Cana is 6 kilometers from Zel, a museum dedicated to chocolate with the kind of workshops and tastings that appeal to food-focused travelers. It's the type of attraction that adds cultural texture to a beach vacation, giving you a story beyond tan lines and swim-up bars. Palmaril Shopping Village is mentioned without a specific distance, but it's a known shopping area in Punta Cana, the kind of place you go for souvenirs, cigars, rum, and resort where you forgot to pack. These nearby options suggest Zel isn't isolated. You're in a developed part of Punta Cana with access to dining, shopping, activities, and beaches beyond the resort itself. The all-suites model changes the value equation, especially for longer stays or groups. A suite with a kitchenette or even just a fridge and microwave lets you store snacks, reheat leftovers, make coffee without calling room service. For families, that's real money saved. For anyone tired of eating every single meal in a restaurant, it's flexibility. If this property includes any kind of kitchen setup in the suites, that's worth calculating against the cost of all-inclusive dining plans. Sometimes paying a bit more for a suite with a kitchen and skipping the meal plan saves money and reduces the pressure to eat 3 heavy resort meals a day just to get your money's worth. The Meliá Association, suggested by the email domain, could mean access to a larger loyalty ecosystem, potential for upgrades, points earning, and the operational standards of an international hotel group. Independent resorts can be charming but inconsistent. Chain-affiliated properties tend to have standardized training, quality controls, and technology platforms. That might mean better app-based check-in, more reliable Wi-Fi, or smoother coordination if something goes wrong. It's not a guarantee, but it's a data point worth considering. Keeping it real, the information available on this property is limited. There's no verified official website, no detailed breakdown of amenities, dining, or policies, and no aggregated guest scores from major platforms like Booking.com or TripAdvisor. That lack of transparency makes it harder to assess value or compare against competitors. The single guest review snippet available is positive, but one review isn't a pattern. Without scores across cleanliness, service, location, and value, you're booking with less information than you'd have at most other resorts. That's not necessarily a red flag, but it does mean you should ask more questions up front, confirm inclusions in writing, and manage expectations. No hotel is perfect, and even the best properties have off days, staffing challenges, or maintenance issues that coincide with your stay. What makes Zel distinct, based on available information, is the all-suites configuration and the swim-up room option. Those aren't universal features. Plenty of Punta Cana resorts offer standard rooms with balconies and shared pool access. Fewer offer every guest a suite. Fewer still offer swim-up access from ground floor rooms. If that layout appeals to you, if you value space and direct pool access over beachfront location, Zel is designed around that preference. The aesthetic quality mentioned in the review suggests this isn't a budget property trying to stretch the definition of suite. It's a place that invested in design and public spaces, aiming for a polished look that photographs well and feels cohesive. The nearby attractions add dimension. You're not trapped on property. You've got golf, shopping, a beach, an aquarium, and a chocolate museum all within a few kilometers. That access matters for travelers who get restless staying in one place, who want to explore local culture or try restaurants off-resort. Punta Cana has a reputation as an all-inclusive bubble, and while that bubble is comfortable, having easy access to nearby experiences lets you customize your trip beyond the resort's programmed activities. If you're considering Zel, here's what to confirm before booking. Exact inclusions if you're booking an all-inclusive package, transportation options to Cortecito Beach and other nearby sites, whether the Meliá affiliation applies to loyalty programs, what dining venues are on property and whether reservations are required, and what the cancellation and deposit policies look like given the lack of a clear official website. Ask for photos of the specific suite category you're booking, especially if you're targeting a swim-up room. Verify whether there's a kids club if you're traveling with children, and confirm any COVID-related policy changes that might affect capacity, dining, or activities. The more you clarify up front, the fewer surprises you'll face on arrival. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.